At Frigmaires Engineers, we don't just build machines, we engineer performance. Presenting our 30 metric ton per day dry mix mortar manufacturing plant, a compact, high-efficiency solution designed for precision, consistency, and scalable growth. This fully integrated plant is engineered to manufacture a wide range of dry mix products including tile adhesives, wall putty, plaster and render mortars, block jointing mortar, repair mortars, waterproofing mortars, self-leveling compounds, grouts and specialty construction chemicals. Designed with advanced mixing technology, accurate batching systems, dust-controlled operations, and automated packing solutions, ensuring uniform quality in every batch. With over 25 successful installations across India and overseas markets, Frigmaires has earned a reputation for reliability, process expertise, and after-sales support. Whether you are entering the dry mix industry or expanding capacity, our 30 MT per day plant delivers operational efficiency, lower manpower dependency, and faster ROI. Frigmaires Engineers, engineering excellence, delivering performance.